checking you out. They wishing to be yours and they taking you out. It's getting to my head and they pissing me off. I got some real ones and they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just me.
Studio said to asfitanga. Ukuba le mpukane mosquito.
Hi.
Welcome to another episode of the ByoPodcast Ingxoxo 99. I feel like every weekend I'm being tested with the, do I still really want to pursue into the podcast or because I get last like I don't wanna lie. I feel like at this point if I want to be episode next week, I'll be surprised because I feel like so too heavy for me. Financially, like I'm like now.
Hey, setting up,
like
getting all everything,
transport, and singala sponsor. I kid you not, this coming week, guys. Hey, so lingabona stule. Just know with
it's hectic.
Nzamile, but because last week, ngilele 5 a.m.
Wow.
From 11 p.m.
Previous
day. Trying to edit the video, your podcast.
No, but I know for a fact because when it comes to editing, I feel like setting up Konke Loku, it's even easier than the actual editing. Editing takes so much. It takes so much.
Now the pressure with this podcast is I'm doing everything from setting up mics, director, of course, producing. Help. I have a friend of mine just now, but editing, sound last week,
guy.
This week I got sound guy, so yimi futhi yabo. So guys, kuyaba kunzima. Transport yimi futhi. Like namusha ukufike to the point where bengihleze endlini. Like bengihleze endlini sengiphekile. Sonke staff se podcast uthi semele ngihamba but ngihleli ngalamali.
Yeah.
Phongothi yazini. Let me just sit down. And then got Twitchy Putas, Lambuza, like, Karen don't endlini. I had to say, no, bro. I'm just waiting for his sponsor. Just waiting for his sponsor. See if I my Lapagula la sponsor. I will la sponsor. Singly, la panota uyanga. I know million calling it at Cohost, then business moving, and we are here today with the Cohost. Welcome to the show, Amanda.
Thank you, Mgcini, for having me. It's a pleasure.
Yo, ngiyabonga ukuthi accept umsebenzi last minute one. Kuyilahla kunjalo kuyigezi ngiyabona very sure we drop ngani qala wadlula emantshensi then usubuya ku podcast which so appreciate you are here.
You know?
Yeah, but welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Mgcini, for having me.
I want to briefly with you when that. We brief background.
Okay. Amanda Mina. I go by the name Fine Lady A on social media.
Yeah.
I love content. I think that's the other reason why mainly we do this because I love content. I'm a content creator myself. So I do lifestyle content, makeup content. Basically that's just me. And I have my own brand. I don't know if I'm allowed to.
No, I wouldn't. Podcast, actually, it's 2,500 views last week. Thank you very much, guys.
Wow, amazing.
Thank you very much for the 500 views on YouTube. We really
That's a lot, yeah. So, so I do content as well. I've got my own brand, Opulent Allure. But right now, isn't Zisamile because I'm still doing something else.
Okay, brand lakho ngelani.
Okay, I do makeup.
Makeup, okay.
Yeah, and I'm working on something as well.
Okay.
Under the brand that will be in the market soon.
All right.
So yeah.
So, what are the challenges that you have faced as a content creator? Because you must just qalisa lapha andizwile ngikhala ukuthi hey, next week I don't think I'm coming back.
Hey, I've faced so many challenges. Having to be a content creator, it means ukuthi sokumele make sure ukuthi content yakho is good quality, and people wanna watch and hear and also listen to good quality content.
Yeah.
So kulezinto ezinjengabo phone.
Yeah.
The fact that our phone enhle that can actually capture content yakho kahle.
Your phone enhle, you mean iPhone?
I mean iPhone and okay, I mean iPhone. So I've faced the challenge, Leo, and I'll be very honest. I stopped creating content, I think, end of last year. Mainly
so
because
stopped?
I know I'm still creating.
Okay.
But ngati break sort of because I was struggling to get a phone. That was my main and without a phone, that means there's no content.
Karabanya osisi bathola njani ama iPhone 13?
Angazi.
Ngizakubabuza
Ngizababuza abanye banjela ukuthi bathola njani ama iPhone.
Maybe engqondo lawo usungenza
wenzani. Yes, ukuthi ngiyadlala kahle kahle mina.
Yeah, you are playing. But I know it's good to have you. I feel like kuqakathekile lami ukuthi just engage with different people that are doing what I'm doing. Because kunzima.
Unzima is tough.
But at the end of the day, you're doing it because of passion.
Yeah.
Bekeli beke. Noma ungazuthole 2 views. Mina into engakutshela yona qhubeka uposta.
Yeah.
Xa uthola ichance qhubeka. Ungayekeli, but xa kuyilahla la ayikela.
But I feel like makuyilahla futhi just take a break. Like it's okay to work hard and push yourself, but don't ever forget to take a break. I think that's the most important thing. Take a break and reflect on ezinye izinto. And actually, uzothola ukuthi even while you are taking that break, you get a lot of ideas during that break because you'll be getting inspired everywhere, yabo.
But yiphi advice ongayinika umuntu njengami? Seeing ukuthi this weekend, like this episode, I didn't think I'll be sitting here right now recording because financial constraints. I'm at a point where angisebenzi, like I'm not working, so whatever imali engizayithola ngokuba yisifebe esayidini ngabe yenzo njani ngizoyisebenza ku podcast, but namhla bengalast cent, like bengalast cent, and I feel like this coming week manje ngatholanga sponsorship vele, I'm not recording anything. Yiphi advice onganika yena?
Okay, advice engakunika yona yazi ukuthi uyabona that time when things are okay, when things are aligning, kwampana ngesikhathi ule mali yokuthi okay, I need to do this, I need to do that for ukuthi ngi record the content yami le. My advice would be ukuthi record enough content to last you
for
advance. 2 years in advance. I don't know if you know about Apple, but Preview. Okay. It's an app that most Instagrammers use, whereby where you find ukuthi umuntu uyashuti content. I post there on Preview. Abese faka I date lesikhathi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngene ngo6 ngeSunday mhla kabani.
Oh
yes. So during that time when ubona ukuthi izinto ngathi shoot enough the content and save it on your laptop.
I think
then post ngelanga lona lelo when you need it.
I think the difference you want to be podcast. Sometimes ebesikhuluma ngenews.
Okay. That would be different.
And news sengakhuluma ngazo. Then next week ziyabe sezihlobile. Already zona lezo. Isizakhuluma ngazo today.
Oh yes.
Sasa kuyabe sokulenye.
No, that makes sense.
But I think with ama interviews, I guess into kuyabe mele ngiyenze.
Yeah, with interviews do that.
Yeah, I think I'll definitely do that. But how was your week?
Hectic week.
Ish.
My weekdays are crazy. I like go in at 5 and then go home at 7:30. It's always hectic.
What do you think about borrowing friends imali?
Yo. It's not a good idea.
Because it's not
a good idea. Yes, I've got this friend of mine. she once posted on a status ukuthi imali vele ungangiceli. Even like my very best friend doesn't borrow money from me because kuyasixabanisa, and it makes so much sense. Imali and friends.
Because I'm at a point where I've borrowed people money. You know? Of course, I'm mangalese, guys. It's not like ngaba niga 100,000. But $10 in a year, it's enough. It's my money, guys.
It's your money, and you are waiting at the time also with phone.
Muntu yamboleka imali yakho yabona mawuzu idemanda.
Yeah.
So ngathi problem. Yabo.
Vele.
Angazi ukuthi inkinga isuke ibe ngapi.
And laye umngane at the end of the day kafuna ukukunika in time elayo ngokuzitshela ukuthi ha umgcine mana ngizambona.
Yabo.
Umgcine that time $10 naleyo uyifuna njani?
Vele ngicabanga mina manje ngitshela nxa le mali yami ngicabanga ngayo every day.
Mina vele ungaposti ukudla futhi. Don't post nice food.
Like ngicabanga ngayo every day yazi mandala mamvuka every time ngiyajomba ngicabanga ngayo.
Vele mina nami nginjalo shebo.
I think into mele ngiyenze maybe next week yabona mphenduka. Ngizabela le list andongo.
Vele sibafake la sibablast.
Ngizabela le list
podcast
yabantu ababoy imali because lento le ngathi ayisebenzi.
Siyayiba siyifuna imali yethu shebo.
Sazi ngifuna ukwenzani this week ngifuna ukuthi read ama comments we previous episode.
All right.
I just wanted to read to show that guys we value your opinions.
Right.
Ama opinions wabantu. But my comments are actually interesting. This one is the comment of the week. It's from Jordan Dumehlezi Mthombe. I want this one comments every week. So I think it's high time we start appreciating the 2 people, the 3 people.
Exactly.
Abapendukayo.
Yeah.
Viki to watch
the podcast. Yeah.
So this is dope, bro. Last week was said when I heard you saying you wanted to stop the podcast. I'm happy you thought about us, your big fans, and decided to come back, man. This thing that keeps this the thing that keeps. I guess it was this is the thing.
This is the thing. Yeah.
This is the thing that keeps us going. Man, keep on bringing in the stuff, and I'm happy you're bringing them chicks. Things are shatter now. So namhlanje lo ngenye inkazana. Umbele inkazana. So angazi putazi ukuthi ngizabe ngihlala ntshintsha abafazi
Hi Jordan.
Wenza into esharp la. Terence Chuma, by far one of the funniest podcasts I've ever watched. Ngihleke ngaze ngafa. Indaba yamaphenti, too sensitive. Took notes. Perfume. This made my day. Cohost understood the assignment. Yeah, that was a good.
It was
episode.
A good one. Yeah.
It was a good episode. Let me see. Abanye mfana futhi nyathi. Entertaining episode. Really. Keep it up, guys. Comments every week. King Queen Lai Futi comments every week. Now I can't help picture Mgcini dancing. No, guys.
That's dope.
Strength, given Nube, Arakeli Lizanga, Gonke Lavati Astabanga. What's the unit of measurement? Why libamba na so bazalwane malums feet inkosi lapha you took it too far. Alright, I guess ngikhuluma ngento zama sithanda ukubonga oburema benu 11 ngezitayela
zonke.
Sandra Munzara. I enjoyed this one. This week yama comments esobalana. So I think
nice, man.
Things are nzama ukuthi ngeviki yabo just read. These comments are interesting.
They are very interesting. And you can still get a topic out of those comments.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I think you guys should continue commenting even if abanye beyangicela ukuthi lizokhomenta. Ngiyale appreciate guys ababuya bazokhomenta and liking our podcast. So if you haven't pressed the like button,
What are you doing?
Comment, just share, man.
Just share at least.
At least Okay, so people are dying. Funny.
Yeah.
In our country, I don't know what's happening. Like, there's a story lapa in Israel. Set. Thulisile Dube was killed by her friend and boyfriend in Bulawayo.
Yo.
Thulisile Dube, 38, from Magwego area in Bulawayo, was found dead. Ubulewe ngabangani?
Yeah.
Ubulewe ngabangani?
Why? Njani vele?
Like kule suicide voice note from the guy ombulele.
Okay.
Let me just try and play it. Angazi kumbe liza yizwa guys khona ngapha, but let me just try. What young khona bingekho clear.
Umusa yahambisela. Umthele ngokuhambe ukuyimbona umthele uthi ukukhukhuka. Wangaphela mbona. Yabona.
What?
Ade. Yawuze, ngithe ukukhukhuka wangaphela mbona.
Ukukhukhuka ngiyimember.
Yabona.
Okay.
Baroda usala ngiyamfatela. Ndokusala mthethe ngiyamfatela.
Ngikhiwa kumele wena fana uzibulale shwane
Angifuni ngesizwe mina ukuthi I don't want to go to prison.
What?
Angifuni nge-maximum. I rather die than leave prison. Because I rather die than go to prison, yabo.
Sarai, that's what my second chance. That's what you can ask me. Cash and tell me to check with us from there.
Sure.
You can ask us from there, Sarai.
Angifuni vela ngifuni lutho. Yabo.
Sarai ngacela.
Yabo. Let me face the consequences, yabo.
What?
Father, sure.
I will say that now. Let me face the consequences.
Father, but even the government doesn't get it, sure.
Yeah. Baroda mina vele ngabanje imenza imali na umuntu ofuna ngingambulala nje.
Wenzakala seni empa.
Ngihlanje. Ngisavuka ngilungisele ngicheck lapha mina ngapha ngibhizi ngibulala umuntu. Yabo.
Yini mtawena Sarai?
Sakuthonke. Hayi. Mina ngithi ufanele ngibazana umuntu osebenza ukhekhisi.
Kuhamba njani?
Ngabe sithi asinza nje ukuthi ngone kuphuma ngayo. Yabo. Kuphuma ngayo lokunene enyanga, hayi mama akhona. Ayisashaka ngomuntu wakhe ngabe ngimshaya isini ekhaya. Yabo. Ngithatha umchaya. Yabo.
Sure.
Yabona. Ngithatha umchaya. Abe ngifaka emotweni emuva kubhekisi abe ngokumnyama abe ngihamba. Yabo. Bathi siya phambili. Wangahamba nganakwase ikhama manje. Yabona.
Why let us see you for the paragraph 15? Okay.
What's it?
Yo.
Do it.
Yo. Like, I literally have goosebumps listening to that.
Phelindo lezi sizazela kuma movie.
Like, into ibona kuthiwa yini channel leyani ithayidi. What do you call that channel?
Even number 1000 ways to die. Even ama documentary lawana abantu abamameda zenza 20 years ago.
Like, okay, what was the reason for killing her, Umar?
Bafuna umbamba inkunzi.
Okay.
Bafuna umbamba inkunzi. Anti uvele essay ule mali mana siqedisa ivoice.
Yo, I shame that's
Ekseni ngesandla yakhona manje.
Kwenzakala nini khona kwenzakala ngesikhathi yini?
Kwenzakala sathi naso Saturday kwakuzokuthiwa isande. So khona futhi ukuthi abantu bonke sekuphele kuyinto umfazana lozimuntu uphela kwesenza khona yabona
Kodwa sure, kodwa sure ngesikhathi ekhala sure ekunqoya ngafana kodwa kwangahleli.
Wangasela sani ngoba ngathi hanje abantu ungangeke lana. Izwe
So wabona kungcono ukuthi ahlamqedise because
angayekela
ukumqedisa she's
uzambe emapholiseni. Either way uzambe ejele.
Either way naku sebanjiwe.
Hayi uzibilela remember.
The guy killed himself as well.
Remember uthi after committed the crime.
Yeah.
Wafonela usisi wakhe so
okay.
Qedwa wazibulala.
Yo.
But then i-girlfriend yakhe ababebonke besenza khonokho is on the run.
Yay.
Is on the run.
No, this is hectic. Like I don't even know what to say because like
mina bengikhala ngabangani abakorrect izimali yabona abanye babulawa abangani especially
hayi ungaqali
liyazondana kakhulu nabafazi I feel like abafazi lizondana linalodwa.
No, we actually do and I don't understand why.
Wanna do a female
that's
friend?
The truth.
Wanna do a female friends and you abathemba zibini.
I do have female friends but one or two close ones.
Abangala uzuhlanganile abangani bakho
siyakufa kanje
akuchaya just like that and it's not the only case. A Gwere woman allegedly stabbed her husband to death. This is now the
lady
stabbing the husband with an object following a fight over a WhatsApp message she had received.
Okay, yena nguyotholele message.
No, I feel like ulokulapha indoda. No, in this case indoda yebulele ulokuzeni.
Umfazi.
I think this is just the typo. Indoda yebulele umfazi after kungena message.
Uyabona ama WhatsApp yenu la.
But okay, wena nxa ujola lo muntu uyavula WhatsApp yakho?
Hayi mina I feel like yazi ukuthi ungadinga into uzayithola.
No, but
ifoni yomuntu ingavulwa please guys.
But again ezinye izinto I feel like sezingathathwa out of context. Yabo? Like umuntu yathatha into out of context. I think sengike ngakhuluma this before ukuthi mina ngilama cousins ami kuthiwa ngubaby lo sweet.
Yeah.
Sicabanga usweet manje ngithini message.
And ubhalwe sweet lapha efonini.
Iyabithe sweet because reason that and wena usibona message siphopa up.
But okay, mina how come I don't know ukuthi lo muntu othiwa ngubaby lo sweet?
No,
maybe ukuthi siyabe sithandana because I'm supposed to know ukuthi kulabantu abanjalo vele.
Maybe fresh talking stage how I just meeting for the first time.
Okay.
Maybe first time lunch.
No, but if it's first time ngeke uzofika ku extent yokuthi ngaze ngubulalela khona lokho.
Hey, para abantu sihlanye ku different. Para again, into le yamafoni.
Ifoni. Yabona life yayi right kanjani ngama days lana singabe lama smartphone back in the day. Life was nice ndoda umuntu wamfonela umthi othi ngicomela lapha ne phone shop esitho.
And ubufe futhi I feel like ubufe one abantu bebengakubani.
It was ubungabanjwa lapha.
Ubungabanjwa.
Usezinto zakho uqede.
But ama studies show that let me read this. I think I bumped onto something. Research shows that men cheat for fun. Like amadoda cheat for fun, but abafazi cheat because you guys get bored in the bedroom. Is that true?
I don't think that's the only reason why women cheat. There are so many.
Why do women cheat?
Topic yonaleo, I think it's very broad. Because
why do women cheat?
It's a number of reasons why women cheat.
Because Garesi, if I'm to ask, which gender cheats the most? That's just rank right now.
Okay, it's men. But I will say this.
No, but it's your opinion.
Yeah, it's my opinion. Men cheat more, but abafazi they cheat yazi deep extensively. Umuntu wakhona maye cheata so uzacheata make sure ukuthi and uchithile.
You understand?
Like
okay.
Amadoda can just go and cheat and come back home and act as if everything is okay. And nawe as the lady, ngeke ubone ukuthi indoda yami iyachita. But umfazi so maye sechita ngitshele Mgcini you get hurt to the core. Trust me. Because we are emotional beings.
Okay,
Umfazi maye cheater with all emotion.
Okay, so now ubone ngathi yini kahle kahle, what's the main reason why women
The main reason cheat is because of you. Wena ukuqala vele maybe ngxenye usutshintshile, you're no longer doing those things that you used to do. Usutshintshile, like, okay, I know it sounds silly, but maybe awusavula iminyango. You know, it's those small things that make us cheat.
It's not a good
You've
thing.
Changed. You now get into that thing. Yokuthi sungijwayele izinto azisafani vele sokubhoa sort of.
But guys, manje wena as i-girlfriend uyamtshela yena umuntu wakho ukuthi no but baby lapha umnyango awusavuli
lokho ngikutshela nsuku zonke ngikhala every day awutshintshi.
So I cheated before?
I have actually, unfortunately. I'm not proud to say it, but I have.
Good relationship.
Wonk. Not wonk. Not wonk.
Most recent, most recent encounter of cheating, like ingasibala ngama-months or years, wagcina nini?
Ngizazi expose kakhulu. Ngoba abangani bakhe they are actually probably watching this thing, so ngizazi expose.
I'm sure they won't cover exactly this is scientifically proven that lately abafazi cheat because of
we are bored.
We are bored in the bedroom. Actually, not only for into eziningi.
You guys also want so many things. That's why actually no statement less. I think we have to revise the statement. People start to show what people cheat because of boredom. Because both men and women are bored. Okay. Not to women. Lani bored. Lati siya bored. Phela lati kwesinsikhathi siyajwayela ukuthi vele. Uyabona into leyo ukuthi umfazi uhlale egqoka iwigi wathi uhlale njani. Mayese sendlini sakujwayeleka sazilungisa abe njani. It goes both ways, guys. This whole cheating thing. Trust me. We both cheat.
Guys,
out of boredom.
Kuma comments, we know this might be a sensitive topic. Maybe some people are experiencing what we're talking about now. But we need views. Especially for men, I need 2K. You need 2K. So I'm going to go abantu abadala or the people watching or listening. What do you think about cheating? Because we talk, you guys cheat because you're bored in the bedroom, but clearly that's not the case for you.
No, it's not the case, man. Men are also bored.
But unga advise anjani people that are going through that phase.
The best advice would be to leave. Once you discover what you're being cheated on, just leave. Because leave. Why would you stick around with umuntu okuchithelayo?
But baningi abantu abahlalayo like.
For uhlaleleni uchithela.
Because mina into engayifunda that way. Indawo zabantu abake bakhipha izigqoko. Asingeni.
Vele ungangeni.
Maqali. Noma ungazibone evidence man lo sefone. Before we disturb I was saying umuntu ungaze umlandele information yokuthi your partner is cheating. That's how I believe. As much as I believe, it is scientific. No, it is clinically proven.
Okay.
That indaba zababili azingenwa. Azingenwa. Enongaqali.
Yeah, don't.
But again, my question would be, my question to you and the people listening or watching, best friend yakho.
Yeah.
By Febela. Uyamtshela?
Hayi angeke ngimtshele, sorry shame.
Why?
Kuyahlupha kusasa bangabuyelelana. Ngiyabe sengumuntu omubi. And to the guy vele uyabe ngasafuni la kumbona ukuthi vele kumbe ngumngane ka sis lo.
Ndaba ngathi ukhuluma from experience.
Yeah, vele from experience. I have a friend impela something like this happened.
Are you still friends lamanje?
It wasn't really.
Yakhona. Loki ikona.
Hayi. They are not together anymore. And no, it wasn't because of ukuthi mina ngase ngikhulumile baxabana because of their own issues. But vele sengikhulumile khona mfana ukuthi bayamchithela kwase kuvele sokule shift
No, but thina njengamajita bona feel like siyajelana into lezi. Mina outtime ngabona umuntu wakhe fail. I remember
vele you guys do that all the time.
Kwaba le karasa singabla ba. Manje sesukalawa. Sesukalawa ngabona ngabona la mengakubonayo. I don't want to mention information eningi kakhulu because wagcina offend abanye abantu, but ngathi sembonile ngakubonayo hamba tshele outtime ukuthi no outtime bona into enje outtime yabona sibila ukuthi
so I think for sure
I think si react different.
Yeah, we do actually.
Abafazi le ndlela neli react ngayo.
But mina personally I want to be told.
Wena ungakuvuma sibili umuntu.
Mina I want to be told ukuthi uba ukuchithela. Because mina ngendlela enza reacta ngayo I think I'm very calm when it comes to certain things. This is one of the things I think I'll be calm ngazo.
When ungafuna ukuthi kube yi situation oyi discover uzwe ngabantu or boyfriend yakhe ukutshela ukuthi lapana mfebile.
I think ngcono njalo ngoba la umuntu mayesebuye sewuconfessela izinto, guys, let's be honest, it's not nice. Ukuthi umuntu aconfess akutshela ukuthi as much as yes uconfessa sithi bu right whatever, but eqinisweni elihle umuntu maye confessa akho mnandi umuntu maye utshela ukuthi ngenza ukuthi nokuthi
asas. What's your take on Operation Dudula?
Yo, Nkosiyami.
Operation Dudula sadudula ama foreigners.
Hey,
aswafuni.
Ngathi kubuhlungu lokhana. I feel like kathi vele why kumele usize sixoshwe ngendlela ebuhlungu like that. Phezulu ukuthi vele we already have issues of ukuthi you leave your country in a difficult way. Ukuthatha passport phela eZimbabwe, it's hard.
It's not your country. At the end of the day, I'm South Africans are justified to say leave our country if you're not documented. I feel like it's a situation where correct me if I'm wrong. They are saying if ungekho documented buyela kini.
Yeah.
Inkinga ngaphi?
Inkinga mina ngizolana lo abantu ukuthi okay umuntu vele uthe esuke eZimbabwe uthethe passport nzima, or rather let me say kala passport because ukuthi azayizuza passport it was difficult. So fika ke South Africa sokuthiwa kufunakala amaphepha.
Okay,
so xoshwa okwenja.
No, but who do we blame? Like si blame one because I'm referring to a video that was trending during the week of what's the name of the doctor? MEC Dr. Phophi Ramathuba is seen man, let me say shouting because I'm failing to pronounce this word. What's this word?
You want to put me people?
What's this?
Chastising.
Chastising.
Right.
Yeah.
Chastising. Hey. Chastising. Yeah. Dr. Phophi Ramathuba is seen chastising the woman who had been in a car accident in neighboring Zimbabwe, but went to South Africa for treatment. In the video, she says, "You are killing my health system."
Who was saying this? The woman?
The MEC.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
You're killing my health system.
How?
The provincial minister says Dr. Ramathuba has rejected criticism that her comments were xenophobic because people are saying you cannot say into njalo. Like ngeza ukhulumela umuntu njalo.
You can't talk to someone like that.
But to some extent, she's right. She's right.
Yeah, when I let topic it's very sensitive, Shem.
Because I'm thinking of a situation where this is an example.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. This is just an example. I was saying, buena, shalangini, shalalo mamako, shalalo babako, you're the only child. So kubuya umntanga makhelwane. So kubuya umntwana weZimbabwe. Asithi in this case we're not Zimbabweans.
Okay.
So kubuya umntwana weZimbabwe sizohlala ngini, yabo. And umntwana lo for some reason i-treatment ayitholayo from abazali bakho isingcono
phela angithi ngumuntu wenzini
hayi wena man so ngitshela ukuthi wena ungaba comfortable nxa i-visitor ingabe yangini ihlale lana sibili for some time like 20 years ubizohlala ngini 20 years bebe inika i-pocket money wena lapho bengazayiba unika i-pocket money. How do you feel?
I obviously wouldn't feel okay, but I think for the first few months or ngasho it's okay because umuntu emzini akazi next.
Exactly. You just proved my point. You just proved my point. So meaning what you're saying ama South Africans are right ngoku-reacta ngendlela aba-reacta ngayo. Like guys angazi lini ukuthi linga
okay one contribute because I feel we shouldn't even be laughing but I think nje kunya ngomalume his point yakhe and ukuthi so fike umuntu la and endlini from next door maybe ngu5 utry izinto sinika order kudala beno and beni first born beni second born so kubuya umuntu lwana next door sayingenela in between laba sezuza is ama benefits or ama privileges laba abanye bengakawazuzi and yi complaint yangikhona ukuthi but nina isha abantwana balapha ekhaya but then at the same time I think the way the MEC handled it.
The way he handled it, yeah.
It wasn't on. It's a she.
She, rather, sorry.
She's going to come for you.
Yeah, but I guess it's a situation of it delivered. Delivered of the message. Ngezake ulande umuntu deathbed yabona khulume all those things angachaya iBP yafike
vele
but I think it shows futhi ukuthi le health system yethu eZimbabwe like it's failing.
It is. It has failed us
at the end of the day. We don't know what is blame abantu. Who do we blame in this situation? Do we blame or do we blame? Because we cannot be saying these names.
We can't.
Because the producer emphasized or not saying names here because we don't want to disappear. So
we don't want to.
Guys. Honestly, angasitshela kuma comments ukuthi kuhamba njani but ngithembala futhi something during the week, something interesting actually. Kuthiwa this is according to Bloomberg Business. COVID-19 survivors remain at high risk of psychotic disorders.
They remain at a higher risk of psychotic disorders. Bloomberg yena ukuthethe ngapi?
No,
research
scientifically proven by researchers from Oxford. But nxa wakwaba le COVID, why survive mntakabawo? Ngisazothi anti.
I don't believe that
man. Siyake ukuchaya COVID.
Angazi maybe siyanchaya.
So maybe nxe thola ukuthi vele angazi. Thola vele already.
Maybe yangichaya angazi but ngakhwehlela ngaba le flu what but I don't know if it was COVID.
But bakutesta yini linalila abana elalini denial ukuthi ule COVID. Wawungafuni
uaccept ukuthi ule COVID. Angizange test.
Wa vaccinate what?
Vaccinate, I'm fully vaccinated.
But maybe nxe fully vaccinated. Because I feel like COVID yasichaya sonke.
You feel like yasichaya sonke?
Yasichaya sonke.
So futhi sonke sizahlanya.
Vele sizahlanya. Konke vele sokuqalisile vele already buhlanya bangona bona la sokuqalisile already.
Sokuqalile.
Konke siyahlanya.
Nanga omunye ukulela omunye umuntu.
I feel like the situation le yabona yokubulalana ngeza kubulala umuntu angathi ubulala obunye.
Yikho khona ukuhlanya kwakhona maybe use psychotic yena already.
Ase feel already. But I know this has been
but honestly, how do you say when umuntu has been sick then sokuthiwa kuyadiscover ukuthi okay later on abantu bazahla, like how did you come to that conclusion? It's not making sense.
Scientifically proven.
But
these are Oxford researchers. They know what they're doing. But at the end of the day, we don't know these things. But I know. Shout out to.
It's not making sense. It's not making sense.
Shout out to Highlanders for winning. Shout out to Liverpool for winning 9-0. We don't care which team they were playing against, but they won 9-0.
Okusalayo.
Le Manchester United la iyazama these days. Yeah.
Uzahetha abantu
bazama sibili Chelsea konke kuyazama. Hayi, this has been a great weekend sibili. I think sesingavala, but before sivala ikhona into esifike ekhanda ukuthi okay, I'm now imagining situation ukuthi you are in Ndebele elihlala eZimbabwe, abakufuna eZimbabwe, abakufuna eSouth Africa.
Sizoyaphi manje?
Siye ngaphi?
Ngicela ningithumezele itikiti la ku-UK. Umuntu azihambele UK nxe UK kungcono isihambe.
Know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready?